When you are running marketing campaigns, things can get complicated fast. You have briefs, deadlines, creative assets, approvals, and reporting all happening at once. That is why having the right campaign planning tool is such a game changer. Two of the most popular choices for marketing operations teams are Smartsheet and Airtable. Both help you organize projects, track progress, and collaborate better. But they do it in different ways. Let's talk through how they stack up and which one might be the best fit for your marketing team. Smartsheet feels like a project manager's dream. It looks and works a bit like a spreadsheet, but with much more power behind it. You can manage campaign timelines, assign tasks, set dependencies, and see everything in Gantt charts or calendars. It is especially strong when you are coordinating large campaigns with multiple stakeholders and deliverables. You can automate reminders, set up approval workflows, and even invite outside partners or agencies to collaborate without giving them full access. The structure keeps your campaigns predictable and organized, which is perfect for marketing teams that handle a lot of moving parts. Now Airtable takes a different approach. Instead of focusing on strict project timelines, it gives you a more flexible, creative workspace. Think of it as a mix between a spreadsheet and a database, but with a modern, visual twist. You can create custom tables for campaigns, content, budgets, and assets, then link everything together. That way, you can see how each part of your marketing operation connects to the bigger picture. For example, you could have one table for campaign briefs, another for creative deliverables, and another for results. Airtable lets you connect them so you can instantly see which assets belong to which campaign and what stage they are in. You can also switch between grid view, Kanban boards, calendars, or gallery view depending on how you like to visualize your work. It feels more playful and adaptable than Smartsheet, which is great for creative teams that want to customize their own system. Comparing the two, Smartsheet is like a well-structured command center. It is about keeping campaigns disciplined, on schedule, and transparent. Airtable is more like a creative studio. It lets you build a flexible system that fits your style and evolves as your marketing grows. Both tools make campaign planning smoother and more transparent. The real question is whether your team prefers structure or flexibility. Smartsheet helps you run campaigns like a tight ship, while Airtable gives you the freedom to explore, adjust, and grow. Whichever you choose, both tools can transform how your marketing operations team plans and executes campaigns. The best approach is to try both with a real project and see which one feels more natural to your workflow. That hands-on experience will tell you more than any feature list ever could.